Good morning, students. In previous class, we have discussed about some strategy about the reproductive health of mother and child. In this lecture, we will discuss about the methods of the birth control. Means basically the phenomena is to control the birth of a new fetus, result into the control on population. So birth control, it is the regulation of conception by preventing methods or devices to limit the number of offspring is called birth control. Means कि जो न्यूबॉर्न बेबी मीन्स जो अपकमिंग बेबी है उसको प्रोड्यूस होना मीन्स बिफोर फर्टिलाइजेशन, बिफोर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ जाइगोट to the prevent of conception means mixing of the male and female zygote by using some devices, by some chemical methods is known as birth control. Basically birth control having three methods. First one is temporary method, permanent method, and the medical termination of pregnancy. The first one is temporary, it is not a permanent solution. It is a method which is used for a very short time. Second, permanent method, it is a long lasting method which is used for 3 to 4 years. In some cases it may be up to 5 years. And the third one is medical termination of pregnancy, means termination of pregnancy by the using of medical science, means abortion. Next we will discuss about the temporary method first. In temporary method, the first is natural methods which are using from very ancient days, means काफ़ी पुराने टाइम से और एंसेस्टर्स जो हमारे पूर्वज थे वो इनको यूज कर रहे हैं. इट इज़ नॉट साइंटिफिकली, दे आर जस्ट नेचुरल प्रोसेस. फर्स्ट वन इज सेफ पीरियड. Here the safe period means the days of the menstrual cycle in which there is no chance of conception, before 10 days and after 17 days of menstrual cycle is the safe period for the sexual intercourse, because you know that ovulation is on 14th day. We know that the safe period में फर्स्ट है सेफ पीरियड में 1 week बिफोर एंड 1 week आफ्टर मेंसेस. व्हेन द मेंसेस स्टार्ट, आफ्टर 1 week and before 1 week, means before 10 days and before the 17th day, sorry, after the 17th day, the safe period, because you know that the ovulation is occurs at the middle 14th days. Ovum survive 1 to 2 days, sperm may be survive up to 3 days. So the 17th day having a chance to be conception. After this day there is no chance of fertilization, so it is safe. Coitus interruptus, it is the oldest method in which during the sexual intercourse, before the ejaculation of the semen which carries sperms, drawn out the penis from the female body. So by this action there is no semen is released into the vagina and no sperms enter into the female reproductive part, so there is no chance of fertilization. But it is not very safe, because sometimes the copper gland secretion the Cowper gland secretion having some sperms, so there is a little bit chance to be fertilization. So next method is lactation. Amenorrhea means the lactation period after the parturition. Third method is lactation. Amenorrhea means absence of menstrual cycle. We know that after the born of a baby, the mother feeds the newborn on the breast milk. During this phase, there is no menstrual cycle occurs, but this phase can be last up to 16 months. So in temporary method, first is safe, natural methods in which safe period, lactation, amenorrhea, and the coitus interrupts. Second, in the temporary method, the barrier methods means provide a barrier or stand a barrier between the egg and the sperm, means prevent the entry of sperms. Here also the chemical and mechanical methods. Chemical means spermicides. The chemicals which are used to kill the sperms is known as spermicides. They may be tablet, jelly, paste or creams. They are introduced into vagina and kill sperms. In these spermicides, they contain lactic acid, citric acid, boric acid, potassium permanganate and zinc sulfate. These all are chemicals are used to kill the sperms. Nowadays, the foam type means sponge type of foam types spermicides contain non-oxynol as spermicides. The spermicide which is used as cream, the name is Delphin. So these are chemical means. In barrier method, second is mechanical barriers. These are three types. First one is condoms, second is diaphragms, cervical caps, valves, and third is IUDs, means intrauterine devices, means the devices which are placed inside the uterus by a qualified doctor. Next one is that mechanical methods. First in mechanical method is condom, used by both male and female. The condoms is a thin sheath usually made up of rubber or latex to cover the erect penis in male. The erect penis is covered by a sheath of rubber, now commonly called as condom. It is freely provided by the government at this program that is called as Nirod. The female also uses the condom. In female, the condom is used to cover the vagina and the cervix to prevent fertilization. We know that the cervix is the opening for the uterus. If it is closed, so there is no sperms can be enter into the uterus and there is no fertilization, so it is helpful in the birth control. The female condoms are called femidoms. Second mechanical devices on method is your diaphragm. It is soft cup shaped rubber device. It is also formed with the help of rubber, used only by the woman to cover the entrance of the uterus. The entrance of the uterus is covered with the help of these devices. This is diaphragm. This is cervical cap that is placed inside the uterus to cover the cervical vault. It is also a cup shaped device which is used to cover the entrance of the uterus. So in mechanicals, the first one is condom, diaphragms, and the third one is and last one in mechanical methods, that is IUDs, means intrauterine devices. And the third one is intrauterine devices. As its name, intra means within the uterus. Intrauterine means inside the uterus. These devices are placed inside the uterus by a qualifying doctor. This device may be made up of plastic or metal objects placed inside the uterus. Now IUDs have different types according to their function. The first one is non-medicated IUDs. Lippus loop, it is a non-medicated, means it do not release any medicines. It is made up of plastic. Second one is copper releasing intrauterine devices. The devices which is release copper inside the uterus. The example are copper T, copper 7, multi-load 375. These are the common examples which are used. This is the example of copper releasing IUDs, copper T and the multi-load 375. Here the copper is used to decline or reduce the mobility or motility of the sperm. If the sperm have removed their ability to be swim, it cannot be reached to the egg. So they are used to reduce the ability of the male sperm. The third one is hormone releasing IUDs, means the IUDs which release hormone. Basically here the progesterone are released. Example is progestates LNG 20. These are the common examples of the hormone releasing IUDs. We have studied three types of IUDs: non-medicated, copper releasing, hormone releasing. But these all IUDs are helpful to reduce the pregnancy or in the help to control the birth, but they have some side effects, means drawbacks. Perforation of the uterus membranes are perforated. They have infection. Tubal pregnancy. Sometimes in some cases doctors have found out that the newly formed embryo is implanted into the oviduct, not into the uterus merothelium, because here inside the uterus the IUD are present. So before the uterus the embryo is implanted into oviduct. That is a very critical conditions. In future the embryo may be displaced from the oviduct and is called miscarriage. Chance of infection, there may be some chance of infection inside the uterus caused by these IUDs. Next process is physiological devices, specifically the oral devices, the medicines which are taken to stop the pregnancy. Physiological oral devices, basically known as oral contraceptive pills. These pills inhibit the releasing of FSH. means inhibit the FSH. The FSH are help into the follicles stimulation. There is no follicular maturation, there is no formation of egg and LH that are necessary for the ovulation. If there is no ovulation, there is no egg release and there is no chance of fertilization. These pills are taken daily for 21 days from the first 5 days of menstrual cycle. At the day of 5th or 6th, these devices are taken started and carry out for next 21 days daily. These are also have some side effects. Side effect: nausea, breast tenderness, high blood pressure, weight gain, breakthrough bleeding, means the bleeding in the middle of the menstrual cycle. We know the bleeding is the result of ending and starting of the menstrual cycle, but due to these pills, these physiological devices, basically these are oral devices, cause the breakthrough bleeding. These are following types. Examples are mini pills. The mini pills are only release progesterone hormone, that is known as Saheli. The name of mini pills which are used to control the birth is commonly called Saheli. It contains non-steroidal preparation. In this tablet, the non-steroid preparation is present, that is known as centromin, which help into release of progesterone. The Saheli, developed by the Central Drugs and Research Institute, that is present in Lucknow, the chance or the instructions to use take once in a week. These tablets are used once in a week. Second one is combined pills. Here 2 pills are present. They also release synthetic progesterone and estrogen. Example of combined pills are Mala D and Mala N. They are used daily without break. We see that the Saheli is taken once in a week and the combined pills Mala D and N are used daily without any break. Next one is that the emergency contraceptive pills that are used in emergency cases. These are taken to prevent pregnancy early on when intercourse has occurred without birth control methods. If the sexual intercourse is done without any protection, these emergency contraceptive pills are used. Series of 4 pills. In this, the 4 pills are taken, that is known as Prevan, which must be taken into 72 hours after intercourse. Within next 3 days after the sexual intercourse, that should be taken, otherwise there is a chance of fertilization. Nowadays only single pills is available. Next is special type of oral drug that is release progesterone hormone also, that